Feeling drained, exhausted, or perpetually tired? You're definitely not alone. Did you know that fatigue affects roughly 1/3 of the world's population at any given time? Today, we're diving deep into how you can naturally beat this tiredness using powerful herbs that can rejuvenate your energy levels and help you feel revitalized, all without the crash of caffeine or artificial stimulants. Intrigued? Let's get started. Imagine waking up feeling fully refreshed and ready to tackle the day without that hazy morning slump. Adaptogens are remarkable because they help your body manage stress more efficiently. Imagine, in the face of stress, your body functions like a well-oiled machine, maintaining balance and reducing fatigue. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to truly thrive, not just survive? Next up is ginseng, often referred to as the king of herbs. This ancient root has been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries for its energizing properties. Scientific studies have shown that ginseng can improve both physical and mental endurance. Could the secret to sustained energy really lie in this powerful herb? Imagine feeling the rush of vitality that comes from this little-known herb. Could rhodiola be the breakthrough you've been waiting for? Maca root is another powerhouse worth mentioning. This Peruvian superfood not only increases energy, but also plays a significant role in balancing hormones. Feeling sluggish and out of sync? Maca can help restore balance and vitality, allowing you to feel more like your best self. Licorice root can help by balancing cortisol levels, thereby combating chronic fatigue. Imagine, no more feeling like you're dragging through your days. These herbs don't just mask symptoms, they target the root causes of fatigue, offering a sustainable way to reclaim your energy and vitality. So, are you ready to transform your energy levels and reclaim your life?